Victor, and today right now it's snowing today, and there's a lot of snow. You can see me in the snow area. So right now you can see on the ground, and here's some snow, and there's a lot of snow, and right here is my dampened salt here, so it will melt the snow. And right now there's a lot of snow down here. And you might want to know what this is supposed to be. It's a shovel. Got broken in half. So yeah.
Snowman?
Yep. I'm not done with it.
You make snowman? Okay.
Yeah, I'm not done with it. So there's more snow now, and I don't know why, but the second shovel I have here, all snow up. Snow. There's all snow up with the shovel. So everything's all snow now. I got sled over here. And I got some heat vents on me.
Put in here. Put down.
There's more snow.
Yeah. Okay.
And now the snow is about.
Sit on.
I'm just gonna slide. And I'm gonna slide.
You like that?
Yeah. There's some more. I think this. Oh yeah, I was in the snow.
You hold on this one. Hold on the rope.
Okay. I was in the snow like about all day. I was in the
Yeah.
snow
How long you been stay here?
a long time.
2 hours.
Yeah.
2 hours, right?
Yeah. I was in here 2 hours, and I was in the snow about. I think I was in the snow about 50 minutes.
You need the water?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll go to
Yeah.
go over there get water.
Yeah. You can see the.
You drink
snow.
warm water, okay?
Yeah.
Because too cold.
You can see-
Okay, good there.
Okay. So I'm gonna end a video here. It was a short video, so yeah. So you can see over there. Look over there. First, before I end this video, look over there. There's more. Over there, there's more snow. Oh, look, there's a hill over there. There's a big snow pile over there.
Okay.
So I'm gonna go there. So I'm gonna end the video and subscribe and like and share. And I'll see you next time. Bye.